Hello there, welcome to Proper Dubai, where we give you the most accurate, the most comprehensive and the most down-to-earth reviews on everything Dubai and Abu Dhabi. My name is Stuart Matthews and today we're looking at this, Grand Hyatt Dubai. I have a certain affection for the Grand Hyatt because when I first came to Dubai around 15 years ago, this was where I stayed. I remember it being a new hotel then. I remember it being very large and impressive. So I'm keen to come back 15 years later to see how it's developed and see if it's still kept its charm. So let's go and have a look. One thing that is very evident as soon as you walk in here is a sense of scale. This is a big hotel. I was lucky enough to be given one of the newly refurbished rooms, and the staff tell me that these have only just been finished. And I must say, they have been fitted out exquisitely. There's lots of nice little touches. For instance here, where you're sitting on the sofa, underneath this flap on the table next to you is your USB and your charging stations hidden. The same goes for a small cupboard next to the television. Once again, there's more power and there's more USB charging. One unique feature of the rooms here in the Grand Hyatt, and I think my room is a little bit bigger than the average, is as well as a bathroom and a bedroom, there's actually a small walk-in wardrobe. And this is really handy to get rid of your cases, hang your clothes. There's an iron and ironing board in there, and that's also where the safe is. I think because this room has been newly refurbished, the television in this room is the biggest I've seen in any hotel room anywhere around the world. It's got a really good system of all the information on the hotel, a dine-in menu, and obviously all the channels you'd expect in a hotel like this. So Hyatt were good enough to invite me to the Grand Club, which is the hotel's club lounge, which serves complimentary food and drink each evening, and I must say it was really very nicely done, including a member of staff waiting to freshly mix the cocktail of the day just for you. So thank you very much Hyatt, it was much appreciated. as I said earlier, this resort is large, and to help you around the resort, if you go to reception, they can give you this map, and this map shows you not only the internal layout of the hotel and all the restaurants. On the back side it shows you the swimming pools and the external layout. So if you get lost, and some people do, because I know I can see some people who can't find their way to the health club, if you get lost, read the map. The centerpiece of the Grand Hyatt is this inside tropical paradise, which has got trees, ferns, multiple walkways and fountains, and really gives this sort of sense of space and scale to this hotel. You realise how big a space this is actually. It really is very nice. Just like the inside of the atrium here, the outside has multiple walkways, multiple pools, and lots of different places to sunbathe and to play, for children to get lost in. I think for children this must be one of the best resorts in Dubai. Another thing they have here wandering around the grounds are their own ducks, so have a look at this. So some of my thoughts on this hotel. It's not a hotel, it's a resort. Three things that stand out to me. First of all, the indoor spaces. What I would call tropical paradise inside, next to all the restaurants, is a feature that I've not seen, I don't think I've seen anywhere else in the world. Two, the size of the rooms are huge. I know my room was a little bit larger than what I'd booked, but even so, the rooms here are very large. And number three, the staff here have been absolutely great. Every member that I've come across has tried to help me and tried to improve my stay. So I think if you're considering a stay in Dubai, and especially if you're coming with children, I would definitely check the Grand Hyatt out. It was an excellent hotel 15 years ago, and I'm glad to say after all this time, it's still excellent, if not better. So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, please check out my other ones on everything to do with Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And if you're feeling really brave, please hit that subscribe button. Oh, did I mention to you, this place is pretty big?